Okay, well, I think a lot of people would want to get my thoughts out there. Took a couple days, saw it the 31st, and sat on it for a while, and it really didn't go anywhere. This movie, by all means, it's awesome to see YouTubers, making movies and stuff that day and age. Chris Stuckman came out with his film, Shelby Oaks, and Markiplier's now out with Iron Lung. Yeah, it's 2 hours, 7 minutes, blood, gore, rated R. Definitely, he tried to stay true to the Iron Lung game, but for a person like me that never played the game, going in blind, and I came out disgusting in blood. I did not get the story. The whole story was, I felt to me, I don't know to anybody else, I never played the game, so don't criticize me if I say this, but felt to me lackluster. And I'm a movie person. I really enjoyed Shelby Oaks, one with Chris Stuckman and stuff, but this film here just felt like it could have been shortened to a 40-minute Black Mirror episode, if you get my gist here. It is a 2 hour, 7 minute A24 film with potential. It had potential, but backfired on the later half. There are some gruesome scenes. There is a cringy scene revolving someone's arm. You'll see when you see it. But the overall movie shouldn't have been 2 hours, 7 minutes. I'll say that. An hour 30 maybe, but he could have just dropped it onto a streaming service, like 40-minute episode or something. I don't know. Anyways, I can't really say if he is a good director or anything. The cinematography is amazing. The amount of effort he put into this film, I mean, of course, by all means, it's awesome to see, a YouTuber devote his time into making a movie and actually getting it out there for the public in theaters. And if you are a Markiplier fan, if you love blood and gore, or if you are an Iron Lung fan, or if you just want to see this just out of curiosity, by all means, go ahead. But honestly, if you want to see this in theaters, now is the time. I think it's only 1 week out there. And I saw it in theaters. Honestly, I could have just waited until it got onto streaming service. That way you're not, I mean, by all means, if you want to go support indie films, go ahead. But it's like, I should have just waited till it got out on streaming service, Anyways, this movie did not do justice for me. This movie is incredibly slow. Some creepy scenes, some disturbing scenes, some horrific scenes. But it takes place in a submarine. And it is that throughout the whole movie. I don't know, I just find it pretty slow. There's some, interesting scenes and stuff. But, creepy scenes, disturbing scenes, when he takes those pictures and stuff, that was upright disturbing. But, the overall story, I just could not grasp of. And maybe it's because it's the game. I never played the game, or the game is that confusing. I don't know. I'm just not a Iron Lung fan. And, of course, going in knowing that it's a game, of course, it's not about polio. If that's what you think. Oh, it's not about the Iron Lung. It's not about polio. It's about the game. He's inside the submarine called the Iron Lung, and it's supposed to be taking place during the quiet rapture. I never played the game, so of course don't go, on me and saying, oh no, you're wrong because you said that. I'm a movie person. I've seen a lot of movies. Check my Letterboxd account. I'll leave a link down below. I've seen a lot of movies, but this movie just did not do justice. If I rated this film, I mean, I'll give him an extra star for effort and for, devotion to the movie and the time that it took to make it. But honestly, out of 5 stars, I'd probably give it a 2. I'm sorry, guys, but Chris Stuckman's film, Shelby Oaks, is solid 3. So, that shows you. But at least he's not afraid to fail. Say that. Putting in all that time, putting 2 hours, 7 minutes into the film, at least he's not afraid to fail. That'll be it for this review. If again, by all means, if you want to watch it, go ahead. I think it's out for 1 more week, but yeah. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. And yeah, that is my review for Iron Lung. I mean, it's a start to 2026. I just hope that the rest of the year is good. And I hope Doomsday is good too. See you guys later.